Good afternoon, everyone. Anthony Wall Street Trader, 4:14 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is Wednesday, December 15, 2021. This isn't financial advice, it's educational. Click the subscribe, share the video, click the thumbs up. We're here to talk about Origin Protocol. And here we are on the US dollar version of Origin. So OGN US dollar is certainly, well, we're still under that resistance area, but we did catch a nice bid. Look at this pop. All altcoins popped, and we're going to talk about why. But clearly, you probably already know that. But we're still under this area of resistance, so we got to still pop over this to make a meaningful rise. Either this and then that, or it's both. I mean, we really need them both to be popped in order for us to start making a meaningful trek back up. So we do have an area of resistance at 65, another one above at 68. It sounds impossible, but they're loosely coupled here, so I think we could easily start making that move. 54 cents is roughly the area of support. Let's go over to Origin Bitcoin right now. Also catching a bid off this line, and we talked about this. We don't want to go below it. We did be, a pixel below it doesn't count. Like you gotta be down here somewhere to make it real. But certainly we are definitely bouncing up right now. It's hard to see if you're on the phone. We're at 1292. We have an area of support around 1250. An area of resistance currently at 1492. So that's kind of where we are at on the Origin US dollar pair. Now let's head over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is starting to look over like a nice rectangular consolidation up here. Nice rectangular consolidation up here. Starting to look like this, where once it starts coming back up, we should expect a massive bloom. So again, same thing here. Left, right, bloom. But we got to get past this this area of what we call the resistance line of the bullish broadening descending wedge. And once we get past it, that means we should be blooming up to 68K. So we got two things working for us. A pattern like this, where you have the left side of the rectangle is on the top half and the bottom side, right side, is on the bottom half. So we have the same kind of look and feel. We have that dip in the middle. We see the same dip in the middle. So let's let this play out. I'm starting to get incredibly bullish on Bitcoin based on two bullish patterns that are starting to form. We have not only trend lines and Fibonacci's will be the ones. Patterns are the ones that speak louder than both of those combined. I'll take a pattern any day over a trend line or a Fibonacci. Let's go over to, so right now support around 46.6. Lower end of support at 44. Not sure that we're necessarily going to get there, but certainly an area of resistance of 52.3, 52.4 at current, in the current time frame that we're talking about in this video right now. So again, let's move over to Bitcoin dominance, and this is why altcoins are rallying. Well, when you go from 42 all the way down to 41 in a matter of a couple of hours, well, you're better catch a nice bid in altcoin land. That's exactly what we're seeing. This pair here certainly caught a bid. Could have caught a nicer bid. I would expect more out of this just given what this thing represents. But clearly between DeFi and NFT, these two things, I mean, they have covered the most aggressive aspects of the crypto world today. And I'm anticipating a massive, massive move at some point once we get to the end of this thing. Could take some time, and patience wins over. And for those that are commenting every single day on this video, I think patience is definitely the way to go. And I'd like to hear how everyone is looking at this thing. And it's not just for the day trade. In the meantime, that's where we're at right now. Origin, 63 cents. We'll talk soon.